So, how was everybody? What's up guys? What's up guys? Talagang akala ko may nanonood. What's up? Kamusta? Today is May 25. Live update. I think everything is working fine na. I already set up. Everything is okay. Somehow, everything is working fine naman. Then, just wanna share some update regarding how life has been going. Simula nung last video that I've made. So, regarding that, here is the setup na ano siya. So, I have everything na. I already installed my wallpaper na black. Already. Also, yun yung kaya sabi ko dumating natin siya. And it is quality. Yun na. So, May 25. It is almost less than 2 weeks before my birthday. Na birthday ko na. I'll be turning 31 on June 6. To be honest, I have a plan for that birthday. I'm planning to do something different for this year because as I've mentioned on my previous videos na I'm aiming to achieve that 2025 would be my year, and isa yun sa gusto kong mangyari na mapag-celebrate ng birthday na ako naman yung celebrate ganun. Parang gusto ko na because last February one of my colleagues celebrated her birthday, and then there's a resort, then mura lang siya, parang kaya ko siyang i-rent. Then I'm planning na mag-rent ng ganong resort and then invite my friends para makapag-celebrate with my closest friends along with my team before. Also, if possible, some of my siblings. But then, parang nung naisip ko yun, parang things happen, kaya parang hindi na siya mangyayari. Pero, tingnan na, I can still pursue or I still have some cash para magawa yung pagre-rent ng place. Parang napaka-oily naman. But the thing is, I've tried reaching out, checking, parang testing the waters, and pag ginawa ko siya, parang walang pupunta. Parang walang makakapunta kasi everyone has their own lives to attend. They are busy, they are doing something, so parang hindi na siya mangyayari. But it's okay, it's totally understandable. So I need to have a plan B because I really want to have a birthday that is monumental to me. So I'm planning just to buy some stuffs for me, yun yung una, or to travel. I want to go back in Baguio kasi parang Baguio is my safe place. Every time that I feel na sobrang stress or sobrang claustrophobic na sa mundong ginagalawa ko, doon ako napunta. I remember the last time I did that was way back 2021 pa nga. Yun, nag-Baguio ako mag-isa without anyone knowing. It's really peaceful na to travel, and I want to do it again. So yun yung isang plan ko. But the thing is, the schedule that I have now for my current job is 6 days a week. So if magbabagyo ako, tas 1 day lang, usual. So I will need to have something na I can bring sa Baguio so I can still work same time as kaya ko pa rin mag-travel. So yun yung isang plan. It's either I'll buy that one thing so I can do my traveling or just buy something for me to to to, to celebrate my birthday. Yun lang, that's what I'm thinking right now. Kasi I really want to celebrate my birthday. Because the last time I remember that I celebrated my birthday was, tas hindi pa ako yan. It was just a surprise from my past partner. And that was 2018 pa ata. 2018, they surprised me when I was being appreciated by everyone pa. Nung hindi pa sobrang gulo ng mundo ko. Then, alam mo yun, I never got a chance na ma-surprise aside from that by other people, kasi ako yung parang takbuhan ng iba. Kunyari, someone will celebrate their birthday, then eventually someone will reach out to me na, oh, mag-birthday sa ganito, bila naman natin ang cake. Then ako yung laging nagbibigay, or sometimes na sinasabihan i-surprise sa ganito. But no one did that for me. So gusto ko naman na parang there's no one na kailangan gumawa para makapag-celebrate ka ng birthday. So that's my plan. I want to celebrate it na ako yung mag-initiate. But I'm still thinking. I don't know how, but I don't know when, but I'm still planning. Yan pa. Ano ba? It's either the next update will be on my birthday mismo, or maybe days after my birthday, para lang may update kung anong mangyayari. Yun lang, wala na akong sabi. So let's see what will happen on this next few days. I'll do my personal countdown. Shit, 31 na ako, and ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yung paramdam ng to be alone, to live alone, and to focus on myself more. Kasi parang madalas is I always prioritize other people's things. Laging sila muna. But this time, I want to focus on myself. I want to focus on my things. I want to focus on my goals. I want to achieve something that is really, I can look back when I'm old. Sabihin na, nagawa ko yan. So yun, let's see what will happen. Thank you kung nanonood ka. Maraming salamat sa panonood nito. It really means a lot to me that to share this my video diary to you guys. This is some sneak peek of my life. Again, I'm still holding on the thought that this year is my year. So yun lang. Peace. Thank you very much. Bye.